Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to set up the point of interest of the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now all you need to do is find here the navigation button on the left side of the screen. If you tap here the navigation, now you can open the settings. The settings should be located right here at the top. From the list of navigation settings, select map settings, and here you can find point of interest icons. So basically, let's just tap it right here, and you can choose your point of interest. It could be, for example, the banks, ATMs, fast food, leisure, nightlife, parking. As you can see, some of them are already enabled. It's like the standard default point of interest, but you can disable them or you can enable some others if you would like to. And basically, this allows you to choose which icon appears on the map. And you can choose, but I don't recommend to choose all of them. Let's just choose a few of them to have the clear view of your map. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.